Stuck because your sales page isn't converting visitors into buyers? Watch this video to learn what you can do right now to start getting more people to buy your product. And if the whole digital marketing process still seems daunting, be sure to stick around all the way till the end of the video, and I'll share with you how you can get access to the super secret sauce that digital agencies use to get more conversions on their customers' websites. For the best digital agency tech hacks for bloggers and small business owners, be sure to click that subscribe button and don't forget to hit the bell so you don't miss out when I upload a brand new video every Wednesday. If you're paralyzed because you aren't getting conversions, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to fix up that sales page so you can start turning visitors into customers. I'm Kate Murray, and over the last decade, I've created and marketed hundreds of digital products. I know what works and what doesn't, and now it's your turn to learn the tricks of the trade. Tip number 1, do not use the home page of your website as your landing page. Your landing page should not have a navigation menu
or any other distractions that might take away from the one thing you want your potential customer to do. As you can see, there are too many things happening on a regular website page. This can be confusing and cause someone to close their browser without taking any action at all.
Tip number 2, make sure your sales page focuses on just one deliverable. So what does that look like?
It means that the headline on the page is perfectly aligned with the offer in your ad, or whatever click inspired the visit to the page. All the content on the page, including photos, videos, or animations, need to be super relevant to the message and support the action you want the visitor to take. Which brings us to
tip number 3. The sales page should only have one call to action.
The call to action should be impossible to miss. In other words, use a contrasting color and provide ample negative space so that you draw your visitor's eye to the one action you want them to take.
Here's a pro tip. Be sure to use a sales page template that has proven conversions. I've included some links in the comments below. Tip number 4. Using social proof increases trust on your page tenfold. Examples of social proof are customer testimonials, reviews, or even logos. Now that you know exactly what to do to create the perfect sales page, what are you going to do next?
Download my free checklist, which includes all the tips you need to make sure your sales page is set up right and gives you
access to the exact methodology that digital agencies use to get more conversions on their clients' websites. You'll find a link in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe. And if you'd like access to even more exclusive digital agency tech hacks, I invite you to join my private Facebook community where you can connect with other online entrepreneurs just like you. See you next time.